During class while we were doing the audio demo, where we were going to learn basic effects we could apply to audio, we had some students who were having issues dragging both audio and video to their sequence on the timeline. In this case, the student's only able to drag the audio from the source window to their timeline. What's happened is the video track has become deactivated. To fix this, start by selecting the audio-only track and use the delete key to remove it from your timeline. Next, click on the area where the V1 is located to activate the video track. Next, we want to click inside the source window so we make sure that we activate that window. Click inside the image area and not on your in and out line. You'll know the source window is active because it will have a blue highlight ring around it. Now click and hold inside the video image window and drag it to your timeline. And you'll see that both your video and audio are dragging onto your timeline as they should. If you are having a problem with just the video coming and not the audio, look in the panel to the left of your timeline and make sure that the A1 underneath the V1 is selected. Hopefully this will solve the problem of video or audio only tracks being dragged from your source window to your timeline.